Hello, everyone. Today's lesson will be short because it's a continuation from the previous lesson on conversion. The ending of this will be addition. Okay. So this is still Unit 2, Lesson 2. Okay. All right. So if you can see here, this is how we normally do our additions. Okay. So say for instance, you're adding the number 369 plus 533. This is how we normally do it. But I'm going to show you how to do it in binary, okay? So let's look at these two binary numbers. So it has three rules, okay? The first rule is 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, okay? And you know this is the same as 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. Okay, the next rule is 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. I'm sorry for my pen. But you may not get it now, but just hold on for me. Hold on. I'll show you how it works, okay? And this next one says 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, carry 1. It's the same way when we're doing our normal addition and we carry numbers. It's the same process. Same process. Let's follow with me now. So this says 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. How does 0 carry 1 goes? Remember, on the binary chart, when we're putting the number on the binary chart, we say 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, yes? So if I want to find the number 2 on the binary chart, 2 will be what? 1, and we're not using this, so we put a 0 here. So 2 in binary is equal to 1, 0. However, we can't put two numbers on the addition chart just as though we can't do it when we're doing regular denary addition. So what we have to do is put down this 0 and carry this 1. That's all we did, okay? So same thing here. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 basically, yes? What is 3 on the binary chart? 3 on the binary chart is 2 and 1. So 2 plus 1 gives you 3. So let me write that down here for you. So 3 is equal to 1 and 1, which is 2, 2 plus 1. So same procedure. We can't put 1 and 1 on the binary chart, on the addition chart. So what we do, we put down this one and we carry this one. So we put down this one and we carry this one. I hope that makes sense. Let's do another one together. Here's another example. It's just showing you the bit is the same thing. So 11 in binary is 8 plus 2, which is 10 plus 1, which is 11, okay? And 14 is 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. So 11 and 14 is 25. And if you put the 11 version plus the 14 version in binary, so the 11 version and the 14 version in binary, you will get 25. And if you convert this number, you will see that it equals to 25. Awesome. So what I normally tell my students, if you're doing an addition and you're in doubt, you can go ahead and convert both numbers to its denary value, add them together, and see the binary equivalent for the answer. But you don't have time for that in the exam, okay? So some people will tell you that, okay, convert the number back to denary and then add it and then convert it back. That's a lot of work. All you need to remember is 3 basic rules. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry. I can't even write on that side. 0, carry 1. Let me write down here. And 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, carry 1. Yes, let me just put the other one down here that you couldn't see. So that's 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. That's it. Easy, 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 easy. And it's easy because you have been doing this all your life. So let me work one for you now. Yes? The next one is going to be on you. you're going to do that one yourself, okay? But let's just follow with me. So if you look at the column, so when you're doing addition, just like in denary, we start from the right side. So if you look on this question, we're starting from the right side. So this is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, carry 1. Nice. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 1, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0, so 1 plus 0 is 1, and then plus 0 is 1, because 0 has no value, okay? All right, and then here we have 1 plus 0 is 1, and then we have 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1, and then we have 1 plus 0 is 1, and then we have 0 plus 1 is 1. Lovely. I hope you just take a minute, look at this, pause the video if you need to, because you need to learn this. Binary always come on the exam, always, whether it's addition of binary or conversion of binary, but it's always there. All right, so I need you to be getting enough practice. You can pause the video and work all three for yourself, or you can watch me work one last one and then you work the other two for yourself, okay? So what I'm doing, I'm placing the number on the chart starting from the right side, because I like to start from the right side, just so I don't make any mistakes when placing the numbers on the chart, okay? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, let's do this. Yeah. All right. Let me check the numbers to make sure I did them correctly. I placed them correctly on the chart because I don't want to add two wrong numbers. That won't work. Okay, let's do this. So 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, carry 1. And then 1 plus 0 is just 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. It will come here and it comes down back here, okay? So that's it. Try the other two for yourself, yes? And let me know the answers in the comment section, okay? Here are the answers, okay? And it shows you also the linear value as well. Here is a homework. I don't know if you can see it, but anyways, I'll post you an exam question on the channel so that you can see it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Go to school and have fun. Bye.